Friends, alam nyo ba ng meaning ng HMO is Health Maintenance Organization. Right mga friends? Friends, this is the second video of a three-part series, okay? Of how health insurance works dito sa atin sa Pilipinas, no? So, yun na. Meron tayong tatlong components ng health insurance dito mga friends. Yung PhilHealth, yung HMO, and yung non-HMO na health plan na typically binibenta ng mga life insurers. Ayan so sa title, okay, pag-uusapan natin yun is HMO. Alright? So sa HMO, this is characterized by its network of hospitals, clinics, and doctors, mga friends, no? Gaya ng sinabi ko kanina, yung meaning ng HMO is Health Maintenance Organization, mga friends, no? So an HMO is mainly known for its annual limit, okay, for hospitalization, dreaded diseases, which are also known as yung critical illnesses, no? And yung iba-ibang procedures and illnesses, okay, na they'd cover you for, okay? Ang HMO, nire-renew siya every year, no? Okay? And at least sa amin dito sa Medicard, okay? So Medicard is under AIA Philippines, mga friends, no? Yung price niya is the same from, wait, let me double check, from 18 to 60. Okay, so if you're a member aged 18 to 60, pareho lang yung rate mo, no? And from 61 to 65, mas mahal na. Alright mga friends, ano ba? Saan ba ako? Since we're talking about payment na rin, I believe ano lang siya, annual lang siya na tawag na to. Annual lang siya na payment mode, okay? Kasi yun na meron tayong annual limit, right? So it only makes sense na kung yung annual in terms yung benefit, you also have to pay in terms of an annual mode, right mga friends? Sa HMO din, okay, pwede ka rin mag-enroll ng dependents, mga friends, no? And the more dependents you have, the more expensive it's gonna be, right mga friends? Dito sa amin sa Medicard, mga friends, if yung member, okay, o yung yung bumibili ng HMO, if siya ay married, dapat unahin niyang gawing dependent is yung spouse, okay? Tapos next yung children, no? That is assuming na hindi rin member yung spouse, mga friends, okay? If member yung spouse, okay, as either spouse na pwede gawing gawing dependent yung kids nila, right mga friends? Tapos dito sa akin mga friends, yung yung benefit ng, I think for most providers din ng HMO, up to age 65 lang yung benefits mo, right mga friends? Dito din sa HMO mga friends, no, applicable din yung contestability period, no? So contestability period, ito yung first year of the plan, okay, that looks out if, paano ko to explain? Yung hindi ko madadiagnose ng dreaded disease, okay? Kasi meron ditong medical evaluation, eh. Sa amin at least sa standard sa standard na offering, kasi dalawa yung offerings namin sa Medicard. Meron yung VIP, meron yung standard. Yung VIP, that waives yung, ang tawag nito, yung medical evaluation in exchange for a higher premium, right mga friends? Dito sa standard na offering namin, meron pa ring medical evaluation, no? Tapos dito sa medical evaluation in relation to the contestability period, dapat kailangan namin malaman na hindi ka prone na ma-diagnose ng dreaded disease. Yun yung gist nun mga friends, okay? Halimbawa, kung may diabetes ka, parang, na sa amin yun, parang, how do I say this? We're binabantayan ka namin, kami mga provider, na hindi ka magkakaroon ng complication, okay, during the first year, no? Of course, kung nga yun, if hindi naman breach, pero kung na-diagnose ka nga within the contestability period, hindi ma-cover yung dreaded disease na diagnosis mo. Alright, my friends? If you wanna get an HMO, you're gonna have to buy it from agents like me and yung agents ng iba-ibang providers out there, mga friends, no? So yeah, hopefully you'll be able to find an HMO agent na you can trust, no? Alright, mga friends. O nga pala, friends, itong HMO din, typically ito yung benefit na binibigay ng mga employers, eh. Okay? So if merong HMO benefit, okay, basahin nyo maigi yung coverage nyo ba. So right, so you can talk to your HR, okay. Diba usually inaano nila yan, they'll present you your benefits pag halimbawa bago kang pasok sa kumpanya, o kaya you're now able to receive it after regularization, diba? So yeah, hopefully alamin nyo maigi, no, ano yung benefits nyo that is given to you by your company or employer. Right, my friends? So now, my friends, that is how an HMO works. Right, my friends? I hope may na-learn kayo, no? I hope this was helpful, okay? And yeah, subscribe or follow my page, no? Thank you for watching, okay? And next time ulit, ha?